Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to discuss about how to protect MS Word document. Yes, MS Word application allows you to protect the document in two ways, either to open the document or for editing the document. First we'll see how to protect a complete document. And you can see right now I already created a document in the name of View tab, which is already saved on desktop. Right, I'll just close this, and anybody can open this document very simple manner without having any password. And to enable a password, just go to File and click on Info, and again click on Protect a Document and click on Encrypt with Password and update the password, example 1234, OK, 1234, OK, and ensure to click on Save. Now the document is protected with the password. If you try to open the document on the first screen, it will be giving a chance to enter the password in order to access the document. If you enter any wrong password, it will be not giving a chance to open it, and we need to just close it and again double click on the same document and enter the right password 1234 and open it. Okay. And to disable that password, just go to File and go to Info, same protect a document, encrypt with the password, and just simply remove the password and click on OK, and just go back and click on Save. So just now the password has been removed. Now anybody can access this file normally, right? Now what I want is, I want the people to access the data, but I don't want the people to modify any data in this document, right? I don't want the people to make any changes in this document. So in that specific cases, instead of enabling protection for the complete document, you can enable protection for the data, right? And for that, you just go to same Review tab, just go to Review tab and there click on Restrict Editing, or go to File, go to Info, and again same protected document, and here also you can select the same option, Restrict Editing, and you will get the same screen here. Just click on the handler and select as what, No Changes and Read Only. Just simply select the option No Changes and Read Only, and just come down and click on Yes, start enforcing the protection, and enter the password as example 0000 and repeat the same password 0000 and click on OK. Now Control S for save or click on Save. Now if you once open this document, by default it will get open automatically, but you cannot make any changes in this document. You cannot make any modification. You cannot change the color. You can see all the options are blocked, right? So now you cannot edit the data, but you can view the data. Okay, and again to unprotect this data, just go to Review tab and click on Restrict Editing, and you need to click on Stop Protection, or go to File, go to Info, Protection, and click on Restrict Editing, and again click on Stop Protection, and you need to enter the password 0000 and OK. Now you can see all the functions are activated. Now you can modify the data in this document, right? And this is how simple it works. Thank you.